Mami man.
Oh, si Mami nanonood sa'yo.
Sige no po.
Mami Spencer.
Ayun o. Saksakan natin niya. Ay, nakasapak ko.
Sige. Wait lang guys. Sasaksak lang namin.
Urong
Hello, be. Hello, Mami.
Medyo na charge naman.
Mag-biscuit tayo. Ano gawin?
Atras.
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 Paano ba ang atras, Spencer?
Sa likod.
Wala naman, Spencer. Ay, ito na pala. Mami. Nood ka, Mami. Kaanta tayo ni Spencer. Hello, Roxanne. Good evening, guys.
Yung ano na lang ha. Yung tawag dito. Yung sa volume.
Anong gano'n ka? Ito.
Sa left ata. Left. Ayan. Sige. Tuloy mo lang. Ay, may nakalagay kayo no? Ikot mo. Yan. Sige pa. Hanggang ano yun 30. 20. Sige, tuloy mo. 30. Oo. 30. Hanggang 30 lang yan? 32. Sige. Lang. Favorite. Kaya pahinga ka naman. Pause ka.
Hello, Carmen Tiata. Tal. Hello. Spencer Tal.
I must be crazy now. Maybe I drink too much. When I think of you, I long to feel your touch, to whisper when you hear words that are hardest time. Words only you would hear, if only you were mine. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Should've made my move when you're looking in my eyes. Cause by now I know that you feel the way that I do. And the whisperless words you lie here by my side. I love you. Please say you love me too. These 3 words, they could change your life forever. And I promise you that we will always be together.
Dapat?
Meron ang battery nito. Tuloy lang.
Thank you so much. Hello, guys. Good evening, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Daily lang. Pwede tayo, guys. Sabi kayo rin. Hindi battery lang yan. Kala mo di charge? May bulmamit pa eh.
Always find a way to your heart. Each day I love you. Please say you love me too. This real world, they could change and last forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. Ito na to?
Hindi ko ano.
Hindi ko nino.
Ayaw mo yan. Libre to ni Mami May yan.
Si Mami May yung kakanta.
Kasi di magaling kumanta si Mami.
Oh, Mami May, your turn.
Pag tumalo siya dito, masaya tayo nila, ano? Hindi?
If you do, just reach out and love you. Please say you love me too. This reverse, they could change your lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time.
Thank you, Donna. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Araw tayo sa
Kasi pala ako naka ano.
Garni.